Hello, my name is Pamela Bates, and this is my Capstone Project. Bachelor's degree in General Studies is a multidisciplinary curriculum. This curriculum helps students explore art, science, and humanities. These three areas, students will gain a well-rounded and balanced education. The reason why I chose this degree was that it provides the opportunity to gain knowledge in a wide variety of subject areas. With my work experience, I felt that I needed to complete a bachelor's degree in order to advance my career. General Studies gave me a strong foundation to help me be a better teacher and coach. I feel this is a great degree over other degrees because I was able to choose two areas to focus on rather than one. The important things I've learned from the IDS courses were my professional reading, writing, and communication, my personal philosophy of leadership, my personal strengths in social, emotional, ethical, and cultural, my professional development plan, and making my LinkedIn account. My two areas of emphasis are physical education and early childhood education. Physical education provides students with a general knowledge of physical fitness. Students will develop a broad-based understanding of how to plan and implement recreational activities. Physical education prepares students in a career for recreational sports, wellness, and physical fitness. Early childhood education is designed to provide students with a general knowledge of curriculum and instructional concepts. Students who seek this will develop a broad understanding of child development and best practice in child education. Early childhood education prepared students for careers in child services, daycare centers, preschool education, youth programs, and child directors. The reason why I wanted to further my education is for my kids. I want them to know that if you put your mind to something, you can always do it, no matter how hard it is.